I'm standing outside the Newman Center where somewhere in the near future, Pi Alpha Chi will stand. But as of today, this is where they hold all of their activities. Let's see what Pi Alpha Chi is all about.
Pi Alpha Chi was founded in November of 2012, and we started with about 10 members.
Starting out with only 10 girls, Pi Alpha Chi continues to grow, having a current total of 35 members.
I had a friend who invited me to a recruitment event, and I felt very welcomed by all the girls, so that is why I joined Pi Alpha Chi.
For me, it was really just coming into college and meeting the women who were in the sorority and realizing that that was exactly just the kind of woman that I wanted to be. I noticed that the women were very genuine, they were very friendly, and I knew that I wanted to grow as a person while I was in college. And so I thought that by having those friendships and by having those mentoring relationships that I would be able to pursue the same ideals.
Unlike all the other sororities, Pi Alpha Chi currently doesn't have a house, but they use the Newman Center to host all their major activities.
I think by not having a house, it's difficult sometimes just logistically to be able to organize things. Everything takes a little bit extra steps to be able to communicate things to the members. Also, I think that if having a house would really help with just having a larger identity, being known more on campus, and just overall growing.
These sisters maintain a strong bond by planning and attending many events.
Any events we can together, which include different focused Greek events, we go to daily mass and or adoration together, and we play sand volleyball and board games a lot. And we also have a Bible study that I do with about 6 of my sisters.
There are also leadership roles some members hold in the sorority.
Well, for one, I am vice president of the sorority, which means that I take care of a lot of affairs with the sorority on campus, so with different other Greek organizations and just other more outreach like that. I'm a big sister, so I kind of mentor younger girls in the sorority. And I also lead a Bible study with many of our different sorority sisters in it.
Actually, I am the sisterhood chair. I plan all of our sisterhood events, which have included bowling and a Valentine's Day party. I plan our retreats, one each semester, and I Mr. Community Night, which is a male beauty pageant.
Pi Alpha Chi also helps out with some charities.
And one of those is St. Gianna Women's Home, which is a shelter for women who are fleeing domestic abuse or violence of any kind, and that's operated by Catholic Social Services here in Lincoln. We also support Project Rachel, which is an outreach to provide counseling and other services for women who are dealing with traumatic effects after receiving an abortion.
I wanted to join Pi Alpha Chi because it is a great way to get involved on campus. We do a bunch of different activities such as volunteering. In Lincoln, we help we help things through our philanthropy, such as the St. Gianna's Women's Home, and it's just a great way to get involved.
Joining Pi Alpha Chi also has impacted some of these sisters' lives.
This sorority has impacted my life because I've grown in a lot of friendships, I've become closer in my faith, and I just have a place where I belong.
Pi Alpha Chi is a group of women learning to love.
Pi is a sisterhood, faith-based, and joyful.